Greetings, everybody. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel, Rob K Reacts. I'm Rob K reacting in the AM again, getting going again after 4 or 5 days. No videos. Been kind of sick with a bit of a cold. Weather's been cold here off and on. It's crazy, but yeah, fighting through the job. The weather's tough, but hey, keep on rolling. We are rolling with a new BAND-MAID video today. I had a notification go off my phone a couple days ago. It was this new video. Richie Rich and Loon mentioning this new video popped. Said, yeah, I'll definitely be looking at it. And here we are rolling, going to get it rolling. LinkandSync video. In case you missed it on the opening, you need to click one of them 2 links in the description box down below. It'll give you a LinkandSync or the Reactor Hub. Both work really good, really easy to do. Best way to do it. Check it out. Okay, man. Dying to hear some new BAND-MAID. I briefly seen a few peeps talking in Discord about maybe some outfit changes, I think. Didn't really look at it heavily until I had a look at it. The Dragon Cries, baby, new BAND-MAID. I'm ready. I hope you got your window open. I'm about to do my countdown. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, nice sound. Ooh, nice sound. Different. Ooh, I hear you, Misa. Ooh, sounding good. English. Misa, I hear ya. Ooh, so good, man. Wow. It's got that grind on that. It's all good, man. It's all like real good. This not real good imagery. Real low. Heavy visuals in the video for sure. Oof. The sound is wickedly. Miku sounds great. Little difference on the top. Oh, we still got fishnets and stockings there. There we go. Peeky, peeky, peeky. Oh, Misa, Misa, Misa. Dennis is strong. How that snake changed. All right, man. How about that? Hey, outstanding once again, man. Listen, that was really good. That I heard that a few times. That's easily my favorite tune. You know what I mean? That's a great sound. That guitar sound off the intro was outstanding. Grinding sound, hard, heavy, dark, really good. Oh yeah, it's audio, it's studio, so you know the little fine tuning, which is fine. Can't wait to hear him do it live. I think they will kill that live. Misa was just tearing it up in the background. Didn't see a lot of her visually, but boy, you could hear her tearing it up in the background. Miku was outstanding, sounding great, looking great. Yeah, she changed something in her hair, I think. Moved it for red and white. But yeah, Psyche was still not as much. I was just thinking about, hey, I got the feeling in that conversation I seen in Discord that we're not going to see that leg anymore. Boom, got a little flash of it there for briefly. So yeah, I always comment about that. Hey, I ran strip clubs for 25 years. I appreciate that. The mystery is outstanding for me. Hey, hope you enjoyed that, man. Great again, BAND-MAID coming through strong, man. Akani on the drums, outfit change, a little tighter, a little more free movement. Yeah, it doesn't bother me that they're not all wearing maid outfits. I don't think it's something that would bother me. As long as I can keep hearing Misa tearing up the riffs on that bass, man. A little flash of her hair, now she can wear what she can be up there in a raincoat. It wouldn't bother me. Still looking great. As long as Psyche just gets a little fishy once in a while, fishnet, we're all good. Love it. Gotta roll. Hope you enjoyed that. Hit that like button if you hit that. Outstanding BAND-MAID new tune coming out with some great content, man. Great video, great audio. Deep, real life, factual video imagery in that video. Some of it could be difficult when you really get into it to really know what's going on, but at least they're going there. They can talk about it, get a feel for it, let them get involved in it with their way that they are able to. Once again, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think on the Reactor Hub, LinkandSync. We have fun with it this way. Have a great day, everybody, man. Thanks for taking the time. Appreciate it big time. Hit that like button. Let me know what you think. If not, also let me know. Have yourself a great day, guys. Love you all. Thanks for taking the time. I appreciate it big time. Looking forward to seeing you all again soon, man. Have a great Sunday, great week. Take care. Love y'all.